Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I'm going to be doing a quick repair on this. This is a Mazda CX-5 2015. It's got a small leak on the exhaust, but where the leak is, it's actually where one of the brackets is attached to. So I'll show you where the leak is. But and I'll show you exactly what type of bond I'm going to be using to repair this leak. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm going to be using this steel stick bond. I've used this before on other things, and believe me, this works. Cut, you know what you need. You mix it in properly. I recommend you use gloves, and once it's nice and soft, you apply it to where it needs to be applied, and you let it set for about 15 to 25 minutes, for it to cure. It says here that it can take up to an hour to cure, but it works pretty fast. And once it gets hardened, it's like it says, it's almost like steel. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. This is how you mix it. As you're mixing, it gets softer and softer. Kind of starts getting a little warm. See, it's one solid color. Okay, and now we're gonna put it into a little ball and see how it looks. And it's ready to be applied. All right, and there it is. I applied it. We're gonna let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and we'll see how the car sounds. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes now, so we're gonna see if this is already hard. Check this out. Look at that. It's like rock, like steel. So now we're gonna turn on the car and see how it sounds. All right, and there it is with the car running. Sounds a lot, smoother, and so there it is. All right, everyone, so there it is. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys can follow, I would appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.